Hey Gavin, here's Gavin in his new high chair that Meemaw bought him.
Is it fun?
He seems to really be enjoying himself.
Do you love it? You do? Do you really love it? Let me see. Can you say thanks, Meemaw and Pop?
He's been in this chair for a grand total of about 45 seconds and seems to be having a great time.
Do you love it? Are you a little small for it?
Well,
Are you going to grow into it?
there's some room to grow into it, but it's highly customizable. You wanna?
Look at these. Here's your foot tray. You get out of that. It doesn't reach. Your feet don't reach. It's so funny. Your tray. This is your tray. Do you love your chair? Do you just love it? Is it funny? Here, now let's show me how to recline. This way. Whoa!
Whoa!
Do you like it recline?
Not so much.
Mix it up. Whoa! Whoa! Is that fun? That is a fantastic high chair.
This is the high chair, so thank you very much, Meemaw. And Pop, that was very nice of you.
You love it? Say Daddy. Put your arms up here. This is how you eat. Well, maybe in a couple inches.